Hi, guys. I am super excited to be here with you guys today. And today we are going to focus on functions. I know you're probably wondering, what is a function? Well, a function is a relation between a set of inputs having one output each. And I know you're like, well, what does that mean? So, the first thing I want you to do is visualize a vending machine. When you think of a vending machine, what do you put into a vending machine? Exactly. You put in money, you put in coins, you put in dollars. You put that into a vending machine, and what comes out? Your snack. Exactly. So the input is the coin or the money, and the output would be the snack. And think of the vending machine as the function. All right. So let's look at an example. So again, in math, the vending machine is similar to an equation or similar to a function, right? So we have this function. You put a value into the function, so the input goes into the function, and it gives you a result, right? We get the output. But instead of using y, we often use something called a function notation. So let's say we have an equation, y equals 2x plus 1. We will replace this y with the function notation f of x is equal to 2x plus 1. Here, f is the name of the function, just like the brand of the vending machine. So let's put in a value. Let's insert a number. We're going to insert 3. So now we have f of 3 is equal to what? Everywhere we see an x, we will now replace with a 3. So we have 2 times 3 plus 1. Once we evaluate this, we know that 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So when x is 3, f of x, or our output, is 7. Let's look at another example. We're going to use this same function, but let's see what would happen if we use a negative number like -2. So again, we have our equation, y equals 2x plus 1, right? Our function, we're going to replace this y with the function notation. So f of x is equal to 2x plus 1. We're going to input, right? Our input is going to be -2. So we're going to have f of -2. Anywhere we see an x, we're going to replace that with -2. So we have 2 times -2 plus 1. And now we're going to evaluate. So we have -2 times -2 is -4 plus 1 is equal to -3. Which means for our input, -2, our output is -3. We could try one more example. Let's try a 0. Let's say that we use this exact same function, f of x is equal to 2x plus 1, and our input is going to be 0. Let's find our output. So we have f of 0 is equal to 2 times 0 plus 1. Right? 2 times 0 is 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. All this means is for an input of 0, our output is 1. Different functions can have different names and variables. It's all about understanding the rule of that particular function, similar to how we understand the rule of a vending machine. When we put the coin into the machine, the function, we get the snack out of the machine, the function. It's just that simple.